Fix Instagram lagging, quick 2-minute solution. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram lagging on your iPhone with a quick and easy 2-minute solution. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by closing Instagram completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and remove it from recent apps. Now head over to your settings, once in eSettings. Then tap on General, then go to iPhone Storage and scroll down until you find Instagram. Tap on it and choose Offload App. This removes the app but keeps all your data safe. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall App to refresh everything without losing your account. Then go back to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Apps. Then head to Search Bar and search for Instagram, or scroll down to the Instagram. Make sure key permissions like camera, photos, and background app refresh are turned on. This ensures Instagram runs smoothly in the background. After that, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button with volume down, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now here's one more useful tip. Try turning off low power mode from the settings. And if low power mode is enabled, turn it off. Sometimes this mode limits background activity and can make apps like Instagram laggy. Finally, if your storage is almost full, delete unused apps, large videos, or duplicate photos. Freeing up space can drastically improve app performance. That's all for the video. Hopefully, Instagram is now running smooth and lag-free on your iPhone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Catch you in the next one.